Hello, in this little bag I have my monthly empties. So those are for the month of December, and also I have few products which are almost empty, but I'm gonna include them because within the next couple uses they're gonna be like gun. So let me dig in. First I have the little sacks from Dr. Scholl's dry cracked skin ultra hydrating foot mask, intensely moisturized repair soften dry cracked skin with a blend of shea butter, macadamia oil, essential oil, and urea. What is it? It's a pair of booties which you're gonna apply on your feet. Keep it for like half an hour, and when you take care of your feet, does look way nicer. I did like it. As you see, I already have two of those, and I don't mind repurchasing them again. On the market, there are many of similar items, but yes, I did enjoy it, and I see myself buying it again in the future. Then I have few masks from Soap & Glory. They're Puff Attack Under Eye Brightening Hydrogel Mask with what? Hydrogel, cucumber juice, revitalizes, refreshes. Either way, I just use them for hydration. Those are nice eye gel patches, and after you take care of your eye area, it is hydrated and fresh looking. From ZIAJA, I have few of their face masks. One with goat milk, which is for dry skin. It has a texture of a thick moisturizer, and when you take care of your skin, does looks nice and plump. Tapioca honey smoothing face mask, dry sensitive skin. And because it's with honey, it did smell, it has a honey scent, and similarly as with this, it did provide hydration. Overall, all of their face mask are gonna hydrate. Marine algae face mask moisturizing. This was having texture of a blue gel, but it did make my skin looking nice. And then rose butter rejuvenating mask of hyaluronic acid, dry sensitive skin. So this was similar as this, meaning it was a thick cream, but like this has a specific scent. I should say it smells like goat milk, and this was rose scented. Couple toners from La Roche-Posay. There's zinc, zinc sulfur solution cleaning soothing. Zinc is good for, let's call it problematic or blemish prone skin. I don't think it's gonna be in English. Either way, I cannot find this product here in the States, but it's widely available in Europe, and that's where I brought it from. Then from L'Oreal, okay, I have a couple items which I showed in the past empties, and they were like almost empty. So yeah, I'm gonna include them in here as well. And this is 5% pure glycolic acid peeling toner for daily use. If you're not sure about glycolic acid, because it can be a little bit too harsh if you start using too high of a percentage, this is a nice beginning. Why? Because most of the time you're gonna see, yes, in the products most of the time it's gonna be 10%. 5, it's a safe dosage. So that's where it was. Obviously it's empty, unfortunately, and I don't know why. Even though L'Oreal is a drugstore product, I should say brand, their prices are rising up. So if you do want to try it, look for the sales and coupons, because otherwise it's not cheap. Moving over to serum, Neutrogena, their Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum with hyaluronic acid, and that's what it was. It was a milky jelly consistency which provides hydration. However, it has specific scent. It's a nice fresh scent. There is nothing wrong with it. If you're familiar with their Hydro Boost moisturizer, yeah, the one for the face and also for the body, there's the scent which is in those items, that's the same one which is in here. From Indeed Lab, I have their Q10 booster. Q10, it's naturally produced by our heart. As much as I do enjoy this product, I don't see on the Indeed Lab page anymore. So if you are curious about Q10, I would say try from different brand. Few of the tubes. First we have the hand cream from Burt's Bees, rosemary lemon, hand cream with shea butter. This is a small size, almost drop it. I bought this in a set of 3, so it was the rosemary, orange and one more. And this one smells like rosemary, and literally it does smell like rosemary. Every one of their hand creams works exactly the same, except the scent is different. Hand cream with shea butter, so you know it's gonna be a thicker consistency. But yes, I did enjoy it, and the actual, or should say the full size of it, it's way bigger. Then another cream, it's from O'Keefe's Working Hands. I have this one in the past, so this is like my repurchase. So I have it in an actual tube, like a container, and yeah, I don't have it here, but it's like a actual container, and few of the Working Hands in a tube. Also I have the travel sizes. I do enjoy products from the O'Keefe's line because they do actually work. Relieves extremely dry cracked hands. And what else? Moisturize, adheres, relieves, repairs extremely dry cracked hands. And yes, this one is wonderful. You can use it during the day and also at night time. So what I do, I'm gonna put like a thicker layer and then apply cotton gloves and just go to sleep. So when I wake up in the morning, all that wonderful ingredients did their magic. And then from, I think that was one of the items from last time, face wash from Pacifica Rose Kombucha. It's a nice face wash, however it's really scented. Ten Balm from Indeed Lab. It's simple product, but it works. So if you're familiar with the CeraVe moisturizer or product, or say French brand, French pharmacy brands, that's what it is. I did like it. Intense soothing cream that helps to calm, repair dry, sensitive skin using a unique blend of nature's 10 most powerful healing ingredients. So let's say maybe if you overdose acid or retinol and you wanna soothe your skin, this one it's a nice product. I went through few of your tubes and I already have a backup in my stash. Moving over to whatever I have left. Small toner from Origins, that's their Mega Mushroom Relief Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. So similarly as with the Indeed Lab, this was a moisturizer, so this is a toner. I do like this line because it's for that soothing, repair, and sensitive skin. Because of the mega mushroom, or should say mushroom extract, it has, let's call it earthy scent. But once you can pass the scent, the mushroom line, really, you're gonna focus. Either way, so the mushroom line, I give it 2 thumbs up. 2, let's call it travel sizes of moisturizers from ESTEE. I mentioned them in my Empties face cream Empties video, so I'm gonna make it really fast. They were multi-protection antioxidant 24-hour moisture cream, SPF 15. It's a nice moisturizer with SPF. It goes at the end, so as a last step, it doesn't work. It performs, or should say it does what it's supposed to do. Revitalizing Supreme Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. This is more richer, both in textures and ingredients. And as much as I do like the product, it is expensive. But if you can buy it on sale, why not? Small samples of the ANR Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. I use this for many years, and it's one of those items which I'm gonna keep using. This is a serum which now you can use for the day and night. It repairs your skin while you sleep and also soothes. So I have 2 of those. Then from the same line I have their eye gel. What else we have here? Oh, check this one out. So I have the Q10 from Indeed. Also I have their collagen serum, collagen booster. And it was having a milky consistency. Collagen, it occurs in our skin. It's one of the building foundations. I use this externally, and I'm not gonna go with any claims. I use it as a serum to layer in between my skincare routine, and I do like it. From number 7, I have their vitamin C serum, Youthful Vitamin C Fresh Radiance Essence. That's the old package, the new one, which I know hopefully I have it somewhere. Anyway, they changed the bottle and right now it's way bigger. Another item from Origins, that's their Ginseng Oil-Free Energy Booster Gel Moisturizer. And it's a, like the name says, it's a gel moisturizer which smells like oranges. Yeah. If you like scented products, or should say if you like scents in your products, you can give it a try. This is nice if you have maybe normal, no, if you have combination to oily skin, or let's say if your skin is dehydrated. And what I like to do every few hours, I'm gonna apply like a jelly moisturizer, and that's where Hydra Boost from Neutrogena is wonderful. Also, I try to do this with this item, but because of the orange scent, not so much. But as a product itself, yes, it's not bad. Small sample sizes from number 7, that's their firming booster serum. Firming, I'm not sure about that because it's a small sample. Also, I don't really need firming yet, but I did use that in between the layers, or I should say during my skincare routine. And the number 7 dark spot correcting booster serum, because it says spot correcting, I assume it's with vitamin C, so I use it during the day. I think maybe I use it 2 or 3 times, and then I just finish it up. And no, I'm not gonna repurchase because I do like the actual vitamin C products by themselves. Few more things from Lancome. I have their Absolute Eye Replenishing and Rejuvenating Eye Cream. This is, I don't know how you call it, like their line for mature skin maybe, but because it's for the eyes, I use it. It has a thicker consistency, and now during the winter it's perfect because it provides hydration. And since our skin is gonna be more drier, especially as the central heating is going, this I use it up and I like it. From Aquaphor, I have the lip balm, lip protectant sunscreen, repair protects for dry lips, soothes, helps heal, fragrance paraben free. It has SPF, but the texture of it, it's, I'm not gonna call it like a roller jelly, but it was a thicker in texture. I don't know if you can see it. It was a white gloopy thing, and because it's so thick, you don't need to use a lot. And this tube did last me for a while, and I already repurchased because I enjoy what it did to my lips. And then from Clarins, I have small sample of their toner, water purifier one-step cleanser, mint essential water combination oily skin. It's a tiny one. No, it's not my skin type, but I did use it up. I have 4 products which are almost over, but I'm gonna include them in here as well. From Milani, I have the primer, Make It Last setting spray, Prime Correct set. This is a big size and I'm almost over, so I'm gonna be done with it within the next few days. But I was like, yeah, why not? However, the nice thing about it, the mister, it's very nice. I don't know if you can see it. Ooh, come on. And it doesn't really smell. Since it's a drugstore product, it does perform well. And no, it's not too expensive. And I will say it's easily on the same shelf as some of the high rank? I forgot the word for it. Not prestige. Either way, this performs like some of the products which cost way more. Then I have cleansing oil, and it's almost like over. This is Hatamugi cleansing oil, and I use it to remove my waterproof mascara, eyeliner, and the rest of my makeup. It does wonderful job. I bought it when I was in Hawaii in Don Quixote, which is a Japanese store, and yeah, it's almost over, so I will have to say it goodbye. Another eye cream, this one is from ESTEE, which maybe I have what, one more use or maybe like half of a use. That's their Resilience Multi-Effect Tripeptide Eye Cream. So similarly as with Lancome, it's for more mature skin, but because of the peptides, that's the reason why I was using. And also it's thicker in texture, and that's what I like about it, because skin under my eyes, it's really dry. So the gel is not gonna really work for me. Maybe like for the first 10 minutes, but then my skin is dry again. That's why I prefer the creams which are heavier in texture. And peptides naturally occur in our skin, so why not? And last item, it's from Clinique. They have this product, which is the Moisture Surge Hydrating Supercharged Concentrate. I have this one in the past, so this is like one of my repurchases, and I stump upon this, and I was like, oh, so this is the same thing, it's just in a smaller size. So I was keep using it till I get to half of it, and I realize Moisture Surge Eye 96-hour Hydrofiller Concentrate. Yes, so all this time I thought it was the one for the face, and it ended up being for the eyes. But as you see, it's almost empty because I do use it as a face serum, and it does its job. So let's say I'm gonna apply my vitamin C serum, and afterwards I'm gonna go with this because it does provide hydration, and afterwards it's gonna be moisturizer and the rest of the stuff. I'm almost done with it, so yeah, I'm gonna just finish it up on my face, and then yeah, move over to this one. Those were all my empties for December, and I see you next time. Bye.